In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address on Dhgate 2025, step by step. If you've moved recently, need to ship to a different location, or just want to tidy up your address book, updating your shipping address on Dhgate only takes a minute. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can avoid delivery delays and checkout errors. First, open your browser, go to dhgate.com and log into your account. Make sure you're on the official site and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the top of the page and click My Dhgate. This is your account hub where you manage orders, messages, and personal information. Inside My Dhgate, look for the section labeled Shipping Address. Click that to open your address book. This page shows all addresses you've saved to your account. If you already have one on file, you'll see it listed here. If not, the page will be empty and ready for you to add one. To change an existing address, click Edit next to the one you want to update. If you're sending to a brand new location, choose Add New Address. A form will appear. Take a moment to fill it out carefully. Enter the recipient's full name, the street address with apartment or suite number if you have one, the city, state, or region, postal code, and the country. Many couriers require a contact number for delivery updates, so include a current phone number if the form asks for it. Type everything using standard characters, avoid unusual punctuation, and double-check the spelling of the city and the postal code. Small typos can cause big delivery issues. When the details look correct, click Save. The page will refresh, and your changes will appear in your address list. If you added a new address, you'll see it listed alongside any others. If you edited an existing one, confirm that the updated information is showing exactly as you entered it. Finally, remember that you choose the delivery address during checkout. Adding or editing an address in your account doesn't automatically change an order that's already placed. When you're buying something, pause at the shipping section and select the address you just updated or added. Give it one last glance before paying. That's it. You've successfully managed your shipping address on Dhgate. If you need to change it again later, repeat these same steps and you'll be good to go.